All right, welcome back, everybody. We are once again here with the Learn Python with Me series. We are going over the Python Crash Course book. We are in chapter 5, and we are now moving on to example 8. So, in this previous section, we learned how to use if statements with our list. So, here for example 8, it is called Hello Admin. Make a list of 5 or more usernames, including the name admin. Imagine you are writing code that will print a greeting to each user after they log into a website. Loop through the list and print a greeting to each user. If the username is admin, print a special greeting such as hello admin, would you like to see a status report? Otherwise, print a generic greeting such as hello Jaden, thank you for logging in again. All right. So, as usual, let's get this started by making a new file. Right. And then we'll comment out our name and date. I don't know why this is giving me a little red line, but we're going to ignore that. And then we're going to come down and comment this out and call it usernames. So we're going to set the name of or the variable as our list. So we're gonna have the first one, admin, and then we're gonna have Ash, we're gonna have James, and we're gonna have Jesse. Oops, that was supposed to be 2 S's. And this is supposed to be a lowercase name. So now that we have our list defined, now what we have to do is we have to add an if statement. So how this works is when you use an if statement using the name of a list, if it is empty, it'll always report back true. And if you have an empty list, so let's say I left this blank and just had the brackets there, it would return a false, which you could use to then use an if else statement to print out various things. So for this, we're just going to say if admin in usernames print hello admin, would you like to see a status report? Right? And then we can have our else statement, not Esley, else, print f, new line, hello, and then we're gonna use our squiggly brackets. Oh, I think I might have done this backwards. So we're just be using for statement. 1 second while I pause. Right, so I did make a mistake. this needs to go down a line. So we need to, like how we did in our previous chapters for username, in usernames, if admin is, or if username is equal to admin, then you print this, and then hello username. Right, that should do it for the code. So let's run it, see if this code works. Let's navigate over to where our file is and then run it. Oh, I now know why it is giving me an error. It's because it was not commented out. Okay, so I was supposed to have an indent here. So I assume this needs to get double indented, as does this. So now when we save it, run it, does it work? Hello admin, would you like to see a status report? Hello Ash, hello James, hello Jesse. Left a little Pokemon Easter egg in there for those of you who know. Anyway, that has been example 8. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a like, share it, and if you really want, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next example where we will be going over example 9.